In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add voiceover narration on Google Slides using Slide Speaker. We'll work through this step by step so you can create engaging presentations with ease. Adding narration can make your slides more dynamic, helping your audience better understand and retain your message. So let's jump right in and get started. First things first, let's head over to Google Slides. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Slides homepage. If you're not logged in yet, you'll need to sign into your Google account. This is crucial as it gives you access to your presentations, which can be synchronized across devices. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here you'll see all your saved presentations. And if you're new to Google Slides, this will be your starting point for creating enticing presentations. Now, let's create a new presentation. To do this, click on the option to create a blank presentation. This will open a new window with a clean canvas where you can start designing your slides. It's always a great idea to brainstorm and plan your content ahead of time, ensuring you know what you want to say and how you want to say it. Preparing your script or key points in advance can make your narration flow smoothly and sound professional. Next, let's add a voiceover to your presentation. This is where Slide Speaker comes into play. Start by clicking on the Insert option in the menu at the top of your screen. This drop-down menu provides various options for enhancing your slides. Once you're in the Insert menu, you'll want to select Video. The video option here is essential even though we're adding audio because it allows the inclusion of multimedia content to your slides. Adding video or audio can really elevate the effectiveness of your presentation and keep your audience engaged. Selecting video will open another window. From here, you'll be able to search for and select any video file you'd like to incorporate, or more likely, in this case, the audio file prepared with your narration. It might seem a bit counterintuitive to select video, but you're on the right track. What you're doing is getting ready to enrich your presentation with your voiceover, potentially turning slides into a more dynamic learning or presentation tool. Remember, embedding a rich audio experience on slides helps people connect with your message, making the material not just visual, but also auditory, catering to different learning styles. You can also adjust playback options, such as starting the narration automatically or on click to match your presentation style. And just like that, you're on your way to making your presentations more engaging and informative with voiceovers. If you follow these steps, you'll transform your Google Slides into an impactful storytelling tool. Experiment with different narration styles, volume levels, and slide timing to find out what works best for your audience. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore further possibilities with Slide Speaker to make your presentation creations truly stand out. Happy presenting!